Which one are you? Now listen, you're the only one that can answer it. You can ask for help from people who know you best. You can ask for help from your teammates or the people you work with. You can ask your boss, or you can ask your supervisor, or you can ask the people that you lead. But the reality is only you can decide. And only you can decide who you are going to be in the future. Now, here's what I'm talking about. There's a great proverb in Proverbs 10:11 from the Message translation. It says this: "The mouth of a good person is a deep, life-giving well, but the mouth of the wicked is a dark cave of abuse." So which one are you? Like, this is going to take some deep self-evaluation. Maybe right away you know, hey, I'm a deep, life-giving well. Great. But maybe if you ask the people around you, they may say you have moments where your words are like a dark cave of abuse. Friends, choose the healthy way. Choose to communicate in a way that people would describe you as a deep, life-giving well. I guarantee you will not regret it.